Greece, the enchanting land at the cradle of civilizations. Welcome to our journey to the land of myths and history, a country that blends the beauty of nature with the richness of civilization. In this video we will take you to Greece, the birthplace of democracy, the homeland of philosophers, and a paradise for lovers of the sea and sun. Together we will explore the magnificence of Athens, the enchanting island of Santorini, and the historical essence that lingers in every corner of this nation, which holds an unparalleled cultural heritage. Get ready to dive deep into this extraordinary country, where beauty meets creativity and history.
Geographical location: Greece is located in southeastern Europe, occupying the southern part of the Balkan Peninsula. Its borders extend to the Mediterranean Sea, with the Ionian Sea to the west and the Aegean Sea to the east. Greece consists of the mainland and more than 6,000 islands, of which approximately 227 are inhabited. Borders: North Albania, North Macedonia and Bulgaria, east Turkey and the Aegean Sea, west the Ionian Sea, south the Mediterranean Sea.
Climate: Greece has a mild Mediterranean climate characterized by hot, dry summers and mild winters. In mountainous regions, snowfall can occur during winter. Meanwhile, the islands and coastal areas enjoy warmer weather throughout the year. History and origins. Greece is considered the cradle of Western civilization, home to some of the greatest ancient civilizations, such as the Greek civilization. Democracy first emerged in Athens, and the arts and philosophy flourished through great thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Ancient times: the Mycenaean civilization, 1600 to 1100 BC, and the Hellenic civilization thrived. Middle Ages: Greece became part of the Byzantine Empire. Modern era: Greece gained independence from the Ottoman Empire in 1821 and was declared the Kingdom of Greece in 1832.
System of government: Greece is a parliamentary republic. Capital: Athens. Head of state, a ceremonial position, while executive power is concentrated in the hands of the prime minister. Greek parliament, the legislative body, consisting of 300 members. Population: total population approximately 104 million people. Ethnic composition: the majority of the population is Greek, with small minorities of Albanians and Turks. Official language Greek. Religion: most of the population adheres to the Greek Orthodox Church.
Economy: the Greek economy relies on several key sectors. Tourism: Greece is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations, thanks to its historical landmarks and breathtaking islands. Maritime shipping: the country has one of the largest shipping fleets globally. Agriculture produces olive oil, grapes, and citrus fruits. Industry includes light industries such as food processing and textiles. Energy: recently involved in natural gas exploration.
Cities and main landmarks: Athens, the cradle of Western civilization and the capital of Greece. Athens, the historic capital of Greece, is more than just a city. It is a symbol of civilization, culture, and science dating back to ancient times. It is renowned for its rich history spanning thousands of years and for being the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and art. Geographical location: Athens is located in southeastern Greece, in the region of Attica, approximately 8 kilometers from the Aegean Sea coast. It is surrounded by a series of hills and mountains, such as Mount Lycabettus and Mount Pernita, offering breathtaking natural views.
Climate: Mediterranean climate characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Summer temperatures can reach 35 degrees Celsius or higher. Winter temperatures range between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is relatively low and mostly occurs during the colder months.
History and origins: ancient times: Athens was founded over 3,000 years ago, making it one of the oldest cities in the world. It was a center for arts, philosophy, and learning, home to great philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. The city flourished during the Golden Age, 5th century BC, under Pericles' rule, when the Acropolis and the Parthenon were built. Medieval period, became part of the Byzantine Empire, and was influenced by Orthodox Christian culture. Modern era. In the 19th century, Athens became the capital of Greece after gaining independence from the Ottoman Empire. It underwent architectural and industrial growth, transforming into one of Europe's major cities.
Population: the population of Athens is approximately 31 million in the greater metropolitan area. The city has a diverse mix of cultures but retains its traditional Greek character. The official language is Greek, and the dominant religion is Eastern Orthodoxy economy tourism. Athens is a world-class tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors annually due to its historical and cultural landmarks industry. The city has light industries such as furniture and textiles, along with modern technology sector services. The financial and service sectors play a major role in the local economy.
Top landmarks in Athens Acropolis, an archaeological site featuring a collection of historic buildings, including the Parthenon, Temple Acropolis Museum houses artifacts and statues from the ancient Greek era ancient agora. Acropolis Museum, Artifact, Statuen, Antique Griechisch era.
Antike Agora, Ort der Versammlung, Markt.
The Old Marketplace, which was the economic and cultural center of classical Athens. Mount Lycabettus offers a panoramic view of the city Plaka, Old Town. Known for its narrow streets, traditional buildings, and local restaurants. Panathenaic Stadium, a historic sports stadium built entirely from marble. Syntagma Square, the modern heart of Athens and home to the Greek parliament.
Thessaloniki, the jewel of northern Greece. Thessaloniki, also known as Salonika, is the second largest city in Greece and the capital of the Central Macedonia region. It boasts a rich history, influenced by Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman civilizations, while also thriving as a vibrant modern city. Geographical location. Thessaloniki is situated in northern Greece on the shores of the Thermaic Gulf, part of the Aegean Sea. It lies approximately 500 kilometers north of Athens. The city is surrounded by hills on one side and the sea on the other, offering breathtaking natural landscapes.
Climate. Thessaloniki has a mild Mediterranean climate, summer warm and sunny with temperatures reaching around 30 degrees C, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, winter mild with light rainfall, and temperatures ranging between 5 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius, 41 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit.
History and origins. Ancient era. Thessaloniki was founded in 315 BC by King Cassander of Macedon, who named it after his wife, Thessalonike, the sister of Alexander the Great. Roman era. The city became an important trade center due to its strategic location along the Via Egnatia, the main road connecting Rome and Constantinople. Byzantine era. During the Byzantine period, Thessaloniki was the second most important city after Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul. It became known for its churches and monasteries, many of which are now part of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Ottoman era. Thessaloniki came under Ottoman rule in 1430, experiencing significant cultural and economic growth. The city became a multicultural hub with large communities of Greeks, Jews, and Turks. Liberation and modern era. In 1912, Thessaloniki became part of Greece after the First Balkan War. During World War II, the city tragically lost most of its Jewish population due to the Nazi Holocaust.
Population. The population of Thessaloniki is approximately 11 million in the metropolitan area. The city has a diverse population, with a Greek majority and small minority groups. Thessaloniki is known for its young population, as it is a major university and higher education center. Economy. Port. The port of Thessaloniki is one of the largest and most important ports in the Balkan region. Tourism. The city attracts many tourists due to its rich history and cultural landmarks. Industry. Key industries include food production, textiles, and chemicals. Trade and services. The trade and service sectors play a major role in the city's economy.
Main landmarks. White Tower, the symbol of Thessaloniki, formerly used as a watchtower and prison during the Ottoman era. Hagia Sophia Church, one of the oldest Byzantine churches in the city. Aristoteles Square. Hagia Sophia Church, oldest Byzantine churches. City. Aristoteles Square, a central square overlooking the sea, surrounded by cafes and restaurants. Egnatia Road, the ancient Roman road that passes through the city. Museum of Byzantine culture showcases the history of the city during the Byzantine era. Arch and Rotunda of Galerius, Roman ruins dating back to the 4th century AD. Ladatica district, a traditional neighborhood filled with restaurants and cafes, known for its vibrant atmosphere.
And so, our journey through Greece comes to an end, a land of myths, history, and unmatched natural beauty. From the story-filled streets of Athens to the breathtaking beaches of Santorini, from its delicious cuisine to the warmth of its hospitable people, Greece offers an unforgettable experience to all who visit. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which destination in Greece do you dream of visiting. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our next adventure.